Well, despite today's sunshine and warm temperatures, we all know that winter weather is quickly approaching.
And after last year's snowstorms, National Grid is making updates to its substations to keep the power on. News 4's Marley Tuskus has details.
We'll be much better positioned so that if we get another blizzard forecast, our stations and our transformer bays are going to be protected.
During last December's blizzard, the high winds forced snow inside 3 National Grid substations, coating the equipment, which ultimately shut off, leaving roughly 10,000 people without power.
The way the stations are designed is they're brick structures, and the transformer bays have to be open so that we can get airflow around the transformers. We started to see snow accumulate on the back wall of the transformer bays, and as it accumulated, it reached a point where our equipment tripped itself offline.
Kujawa says last December's blizzard was a once-in-a-generation storm, but National Grid does not have the luxury to think that way.
We don't want to be in that position again where we have to worry about our transformer bays.
National Grid officials have designed and are now installing new vents and louvers on the Buffalo substations to prevent this from being a problem once again.
The louvers still allow airflow, but it's not what we saw with the fencing.
National Grid will be making these changes throughout the winter and expects the updates to be done by early 2024. Right now, crews are continuing to work at the substation on the east side, so it's complete by next week.
We wanted to install a permanent solution that would protect our transformer base 24/7 in the event of a blizzard forecast going forward.
Reporting in Buffalo, Marley Tuskus, News 4.